In today's topic, we are going to discuss on how to see audio signal by the use of an oscilloscope. Hello everyone, my name is Thompson. I'm a trainer at the RTC TV Training Center. We are here today to discuss on what is education based. In today's topic, we are going to discuss on how to see audio signal by the use of an oscilloscope. As we have learned it, an oscilloscope is an electronic device which converts electrical and electronic signal into visual display. By the use of this small Bluetooth, we are going to see the visual display of audio signal.
As you can see at your own screen, those are the tools and equipment I'm going to use in order to see the audio signal through that oscilloscope. As usual, I need to reach those speakers of this Bluetooth. First of all, I have to connect the power cable to the outlet socket of this oscilloscope. As you can see at your own screen, I apply the disassembling process. As usual, disassembling is to break down or to separate one device into many pieces. By the use of this screwdriver, I unscrew all screws of this radio receiver in order to reach the speaker of this radio receiver. As you can see at your own screen, while I'm done to remove all screw, hold this curve of this radio receiver, I go through to the speaker of this radio receiver, as you can see at your own screen. So I choose one of the speakers in which I need to use my terminal and connect them through it. As you can see, those are the terminal came from the oscilloscope. Those are two speakers. I choose one, so I connect one port to that side, as you can see at your own screen, and another one to the second cable in order to see the visual display of this loudspeaker. As usual, I connect well. As you can see at your own screen, I take the flash disk which has different audio signal or audio music in order to see the visual display of that audio music through the oscilloscope. As you can see at your own screen, I switch on the radio receiver. Through that oscilloscope, you have seen different signal based on the audio signal of that music, as you can see at your own screen. You can see those are the signal. In that time I remove the audio signal. There is no signal, simply the line. Then I play again the music. There is those type of signal. As you can see, with this radio receiver and this oscilloscope together, when I'm playing the music, that's the visual display of an audio signal. Oscilloscope is also used for indicating the output to amplified audio signal waveform with the below waveform through that oscilloscope, as you can see at your own screen. I think you are doing the practical exercise with me as we are learning together.
Thank you for your attention. I hope you have learned much more on how to see a visual display of an audio signal through the oscilloscope. And I remind you to share with your beloved ones and to remind them to subscribe to this platform, which is education based. See you next time. Enjoy. Every quiet service requires experts and caring people. We all need good mood and it requires nice place. We have solution for you. We are Martin's Expert Home. Your happiness is our first priority. We offer best services as following: the best restaurant with every kind of food and beverage, the unique bar where you can take your drinks safely. In Martin's Expert Home is the only place you can find the best multi-purpose hall where your weddings, meetings, or any other kind of ceremony can take place. Accommodation bedroom where you can take rest even if you can be with your family. Good environment and the nice temperature makes everyone feel comfortable at our place, which makes you relax well. We are located in Rwanda, Western Province, Rubavu District, Nyundo Sector, near Funda Tea Company, at Rubavu Kigali Main Road, 8 km from Gisenyi Town. For more information, please visit our website www.martins-home-rwanda.com, and also make your reservation through our contact number +250 78 96 78 633. Martin's Expert Home. Quality is created by experts and it has its value. You are most welcome.